Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Lovely holders, that's really good news with all of you because the lovely starts jumping and still there in the jumping mood. Today is really a good day for all lovely holders. So first of all, I want to congratulate all of you, and after that I want to request everybody to please click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos. Now guys, you can see here that the change is going positive in the lovely 3.08%. 3.08% the price of the lovely is going to increase. So that's why I'm telling you that that is a really good news with all of you guys. Anyways, on the other side, you can see here the previous time is a bad time, but in the latest situation, now from the last one day, I mean last 24 hours, they start jumping. So now they still continue this jump to the last of August. I'm sure about that, that to the last of August, lovely will continue this pump. So guys, you can see here now the currently live price of lovely in the market is 0.00003 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the lovely in the market. And now if you are new in a cryptocurrencies market, so guys, if you want to buy a coin, so lovely is really good for investment because now the price of the lovely is very low and the changes of the lovely is going positive, guys. So now this time I recommend lovely for investment. Other side, you can see here absolutely a massive jumps always taken by a lovely and now still they are ready for a next jump. So just hold for a long time. I hope they give you profit, not loss. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.